For going to the city, you can take any way, but I'm taking this way. This one is only for bikes now. ये शॉर्टकट है थोड़ा. So recently there was a landslide here, तो उसकी वजह से ये रोड पर टूट गया. अभी सिर्फ 2 व्हीलर से जा सकता है. चलिए रोड था ये साइड से. अभी ओनली 2 व्हीलर अलाउड टू गो. और अभी हम पहुंच गए भाई वाकॉन और यहाँ पे हमेशा ट्रैफिक होता है. और यहाँ से हम जाएंगे लेफ्ट साइड और वहाँ से हम लोग निकल जाएंगे. ये रोड जाके फिर राइट, अगर राइट टर्न लेंगे थोड़ा बाद में तो वो जगह पूरे सिटी के अंदर जाता है. यहाँ से थोड़ा लॉन्ग होता है, ये वाला थोड़ा शॉर्ट है. तो ये लेफ्ट साइड में अगर हम जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे हाईवे मिल जाता है. नीचे जो हाईवे से राइडिंग इन आइजॉल इज लाइक रिस्की फॉर पीपल who are from plains. For me, like I am from plains, तो ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी, डर लगता है कि रोड के साइड में कभी कभी कुछ नहीं होता, डायरेक्ट खाई होता है. अगर आप वहाँ से गिरे तो भगवान के साथ मिल जाओगे. तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी है यहाँ पे कॉन्फिडेंस राइडिंग के लिए. एंड हियर इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट आइजॉल ट्रैफिक. यहाँ पे कोई हॉन्क नहीं करता, कोई ऐसे लेन क्रॉस नहीं करता. सब लोग अपने लेन में रहते हैं और सबसे अच्छा हॉन्किंग नहीं होना कोई भी, क्योंकि हॉन्किंग करने से थोड़ी ना ट्रैफिक क्लियर हो जाएगा. ये बहुत अच्छा है, इसको इसलिए आइजॉल को साइलेंट सिटी भी कहा जाता है. You'll hardly have like horns, bike horns or car horns. It's very steep. Road.
Phone number
8794.
right from garage. You had come earlier, they were shooting smoke outside. Come again tomorrow if you have. This is the side.
Okay.
They filled it for you.
Is it loaded? bullet. Then how to
You
put
coke
on.
that one,
And then what is it?
fully cooked it. And you place the bullet there. Yeah, like that. And it's ready to fire. Button? Okay. Oh, you hit that.
First time is a good
Yeah,
price.
first shot, yeah. No. That's the practice target, so you can shot 3 rounds here and the rest 1 shot per target. Same hole. That's a very good shot because it's the grouping, you know. So the thing is, you can adjust the rifle here. If it's going downstairs,
Okay, you can adjust.
this is the. Yeah, just try it again like that. No, you can see that. It's yeah. And do little adjustment again. Okay, last practice round. After this, it will be a record target. Okay. Console.
So I'm done with the shooting. The peoples are very good here. Now I'll head back to university. From here, I will directly go to my campus. It was a nice experience. Like, I never tried shooting. This was a good one, like good experience.
In 100 meters, keep right. Keep right.
These are the roads of Aizawl now. It's very steep, almost around 60 degrees incline. I'm just blindly following the Google map. There's no other option for me other than following the Google map. I will just ask some people for some time maybe. can you tell me the way to Millennium Center?
William Center.
This one.
Yes, but it's a little bit.
Then this one.
Oh, this one is better.
Okay, thank you.
But this is near. Here,
But
better.
very steep. I will take the better one.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. A little bit far from here.
Okay, okay, thank you. Narrow roads of Mizoram. That is Aizawl. I'm just following Google Map blindly. But it's not wise to follow Google Map, but I have no other choice, bro. सुन जरा मेरे पास अब बैठे हम भी